How to delete Apple ID account. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Now at the bottom you'll see the option of Sign Out. Click on that. Provide your Apple ID account's password and click on Turn Off. Once logged out of Apple ID, close this and launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in privacy.apple.com and then search for it. You'll need to provide Apple ID's credentials, email and the password, and then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down at the bottom, you'll find the option of delete account. Click on the option request to delete your account. You'll be directed to next page. In this page, you're gonna find all the details about your Apple ID. Just scroll down. Now here you have to give a reason why you want to delete your account. Select any of it. Then you can click on continue and go through the deletion process. This way you can easily delete your Apple ID account. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.